Hey there, everyone. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the amazing Black Decker 1.7L cordless electric kettle. This kettle features a rapid boil, auto shutoff, and a swivel base for easy pouring. Let's jump right in. This model rapid boil time of just 3 minutes, and an auto shutoff feature for added safety. Now let's open it up. Here we have our kettle wrapped in plastic and protected by 2 pieces of styrofoam. The cordless kettle is lightweight, but sturdy and well built. It has a detachable base with a swivel feature for easy pouring. The kettle is made of stainless steel for added durability and style. The handle is comfortable to grip and provides good control when pouring hot water. In conclusion, this Black Decker 1.7L cordless electric kettle is an excellent choice for those who value rapid boiling times, safety features like auto shutoff, and convenience with its swivel base. Let's check the boiling speed test. Thanks for joining me in this unboxing and review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this one.